Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our 2019 240 Solstice from Harris Float Boats. First off, I'd like to point out this does have the blue exterior with the anodized black rub rails. Next, I'll just point out some of the features on the inside of the boat. Obviously, we have these seats, tons of storage area under these seats. You can put your life jackets, water toys, fishing rods, all that kind of stuff. And the storage is throughout the boat under all the seats. Also under the helm, there's additional storage. Right here, I want to show you, this is where you can put the changing room option in here, but we also have the JL subwoofer. This boat does have the upgraded sound system with the JL speakers, subwoofers, amp, and head unit. From there, we will go to the helm, point out the Simrad Go 5 touchscreen display. That's a depth finder, fish finder, navigation all in one. Then on the gauge cluster, you can see the chrome bezels and also the easy to use push button buttons, so you can control all your features like the horn, bilge pump, things like that. From there, I'd like to point out that this is a single rear lounger, so this lounger actually folds forward and back depending on which direction you like to face, either the bow or the stern of the boat. Then if you want to take a look up, we have the double bimini option. So we have the tower on here with the upgraded tower speakers and a full bimini throughout. There's also lights in the tower that you can use at night if you want to upgrade the mood, if you want to call it that. Next, we have the swim step right here. This folds down into the water. Gives you a nice place to put your feet down where you can still see your feet depending on how murky the water is. From there, we do have the ski tow bar where you can pull skiers, wakeboarders, tubers, whatever you'd like, and also the 300 horsepower Mercury. Definitely a quiet motor and a high performance motor. It'll definitely get you where you need to go, and it's very reliable. This is Billy with MarineMax Houston. Please give us a call or stop by and see us today.